In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in Jotform. We'll walk through this together from inside your Jotform account, so you can follow along on your own screen. A hyperlink is just clickable text that takes your users to another page, like your website, a help article, or a document. Adding this to your form helps give people more context or resources without cluttering the form itself. First, log into your Jotform account and go to your main dashboard. From here, look for the form where you want to add the hyperlink. Click to select that form and then open it in the form builder. This is the main editing area where you design and customize your form. Once you're in the form builder, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a plus icon that lets you add new elements to your form. Click that plus icon. A list of different elements will appear, such as basic fields and more advanced options. From this list, find the paragraph element. The paragraph field is what you'll use to add regular text, and it's also where you'll create your hyperlink. Click and drag the paragraph element into your form and drop it exactly where you want the hyperlink to appear. For example, you might place it under a question or near the bottom of the form for terms and conditions or extra instructions. Now, click on the paragraph element you just added. You should see a small pencil or edit icon. Click that to start editing the text. Inside the editor, type the text you want to use. This could be just a few words, a full sentence, or even a whole paragraph that explains what the link is for. Next, highlight the specific part of the text that you want to turn into a hyperlink. With that text selected, look at the toolbar above the editor and click the Insert or Edit Link icon. A pop-up window will appear. In the first field, enter the URL you want people to go to when they click your link. Below that, you'll see the Text to Display field. It should already be filled with the text you highlighted, but you can adjust it if you want more descriptive wording. Then, choose how the link opens, in a new tab or in the same window. Opening in a new tab is usually best so people don't lose your form. When you're happy with everything, click OK. Your highlighted text is now a hyperlink, and you can preview the form to test that it works correctly.